Hello, I welcome you all on behalf of Ratna Sagar to this amazing Reading Eggs online learning platform where the child gets 6 learning areas like the ones you can see right now on your screen, with a library that has 3,500 books and 5,000 worksheets in total. Ooh, yes, that was 5,000 worksheets. So to make your demo account, you just have to log in on any web browser, the website re.rsgr.in. Now, as this is a web-based program, so anybody can log in on re.rsgr.in from any device, from any platform. We have to simply click on this blue box, register for a 30-day free trial today. And when you click on that blue box, it asks you some basic details like your name, your email ID, your mobile number. You can select your state, your city, and to type here, to search your school name, you should just type the first 3 letters of your school name. And it will automatically give you a list of the schools from where you'll choose one particular school, your school. Then choose the class of your child. And when you submit that grade or class of the child, you click on submit. You'll get a 6-digit OTP. So enter the 6-digit OTP and click on verify OTP. It will take you to a new screen where you have to click on Parents, click here. The moment you click on Parents, click here, it will allow you to create your account by choosing a password. So you can see I'm typing in my email address once again, and I am choosing a password, an easy password which me and my child could remember easily. And I'll scroll down, I'll click on I agree to the terms of usage and click on get free access now. Your account will be created. Next time when you want to log in, you can log in on re.rsgr.in, and down below the bottom right corner, you'll see login. You'll have to choose Reading Eggs login there. And then on the top, there is a blue color login button. So you can click on that blue color login button, enter your login ID and password, that is your email that was chosen as the login ID and the password that you created. Tick on remember me and log in. You'll be logged into your account and you can view your child's progress every time you log in. This is real-time progress of your child in the Reading Eggs program. Now, once you have made a decision to make a purchase after a few days of demo using the demo account, you can click on buy now. And when you click on buy now, you'll get the same form once again, filling in the basic details there, your email ID, mobile number. This is required for the purchase, for making the purchase. You will even choose the school name by typing first 3 letters of your school name and choose the grade of the child, that is the class of the child. You may leave the referral code blank. And the moment you click on submit, again, you'll get an OTP on your mobile number. Just enter that 6-digit OTP and click on verify OTP. It will take you to a screen where it will show you the maximum retail price, the MRP. Now, if you have a discount code, like right now, Christ 500 is the discount code valid for few more days. So you can type Christ 500 and make payment. So you can see when you clicked on make payment, the price got reduced. And this is a 500 rupee special discount. There are various options to pay through EMI, debit card, credit card, or UPI, or in fact, net banking. You can choose any bank. All the banks, they are available here. You can make a choice of your bank and make the payment. Once you have made the payment, you will receive a voucher code on your mobile as SMS. So that SMS you have to keep with you, because now you'll have to redeem voucher. Go back on re.rsgr.in, click on redeem voucher. If you do not have a demo account, redeem voucher can be done from re.rsgr.in by simply putting your email ID, choosing a new password of 4 characters, and the voucher code that you have received in your SMS. You can just enter that and agree to the terms and click on register my account. But if you already have a demo account on Reading Eggs, then redeeming the voucher becomes very easy. So then you don't have to go on re.rsgr.in. You have to simply go to your existing demo account, Reading Eggs account, by clicking on Reading Eggs login, and click on login. Enter your Reading Eggs existing account, your demo account, by signing in through the credentials. Then click on my account, where you'll find this option of redeem promo code. When you click on redeem promo code, enter your voucher code there and click on redeem. So it's so easy to buy the Reading Eggs annual subscription. My dear parents, this is an annual subscription valid for 12 long months at a very small price. So what are you waiting for? Just log in re.rsgr.in.